YouTube friends and family. This is a today haul. It may not go up till about Wednesday, but it's Monday, the day of this whole whatever going on with the sun thing, the eclipse. But I went to a store that I found stuff cheaper than the Dollar Tree. And I wanted to share it with you. And I'm being harassed to hurry up and share it and make my video because somebody want to eat some things up out of this bag. So, it is Big Lots. So, apparently I'm in the Nielsen follow your activity on the internet and I won $50 worth of gift cards. So I chose Big Lots and Home Goods, $25 a piece. You know I could go in there and just spend $25. I spent $50. But it's a haul. It's a little bit of a haul. And one thing I do want to caution you about with Big Lots is look up the prices. Because I was about to buy a 4-pound bag of earthworm castings. And I went and looked it up on Walmart. They wanted $6.99 at Big Lots and $6.18 at Walmart. I know it's a little bit, but maybe on 20% off day, which is coming up this weekend, that will be a better deal. But as of right now, today, I left it because, 75 cents or 70 cents or 70 cents. So, well, no, actually, that's 80-something cents, like 81 cents. That adds up over time. And then it was something else. Oh, the single Miracle Grow you added to the watering can, it was $11.99 there. It's $10.80 on Amazon. So I'm like, Big Lots, what are you doing here? So I went with the obvious deals and things that, I probably can't get other places. So, cheaper than the Dollar Tree. Let's go with that first. They sell the Brillo Brands. Cheaper than the Dollar Tree. $1.19, not $1.25. 6 cents. 6 cents is 6 cents. Well, especially when you been there buying 50 items like me. But no, I didn't do that today. But it's it adds up. And we going to feel that more and more as time go by. And prices go up and up and up. So keep this in mind. This is leaking. It's all over my hand. Oh, man. It's only leaking a little bit, but to know it's all over the bag. So this, $1.19. Mopping floors. Every time when I do mop, I got so many floors in here. That's like at least half a bottle every time. Seems like they'd have checked these before they bagged it. Now this one's tight. So that was the lemon scent. And this is the orange scent. So that's $1.19 versus $1.25. And I want to say those are bigger bottles than what's at the Dollar Tree. Seem like, I know the Fabulosos are small, but those might be small at the Dollar Tree also. Never tried this brand. Jalapeno Chips for cameraman. And they were only $1, and they are not expired. They have a date of April. Oh, you know what? Hold up. I'm checking for y'all because I know I checked this date before I bought these things out the store. I know I did. Why y'all covering? And she had to do a new tag on it or something. But the retail on these are $3.79, so that's a deal. But I got to check the date. I know y'all. It says April 22nd. And I'm pushing it back. I'm going to make sure y'all can see the whole date. April 22nd, 2024. Not expired, $1 for a full-size bag of chips. Can't beat that. Now I got the resource. Remember I used to get the bread from the Dollar Tree. Soon as they start carrying the good bread, it didn't last 30, 45 days. And they were charging $3 for a loaf of bread. Not me. So, Big Lots for right now is still at $160. So when it's 20% off on the weekend, this upcoming weekend, it's a good time to go stock your freezer with bread, because that will be what, 30 cents, $1.30 a loaf. This bread is this bread is pretty much almost $3 a loaf anywhere you go. Some places it's $5 a loaf. This is our favorite kind. It's not expired. It's good until the 9th. Well, I don't know what today is. What is today? The 7th? It's the 8th. So it's good till tomorrow, but you put this bread in the freezer, it's absolutely fine after the date. So I got 3 loaves of bread to put in our freezer. This is like a week worth of breakfast. By the time you do some grilled cheeses, somebody here eats 2 in the morning. So that's 4 pieces of bread every morning. This lasts one person a week, because I really don't eat it. So yeah, the best place to still buy the good bread, the fancy bread. So that's going in our freezer. How much was this? I don't even remember. Oh, okay, I know what it was. This, instead of $125, it's $119. We like to keep these in the house. I like to take them to Bango with me and put them in my bag for snacking. $6 is 6 cents. Do that 100 times, you got $6. Okay? So, this Skinny Pop Cheddar Jalapeno. This might make me sneeze and cough my head off, but I wanted to give it a try because it was only 90 cents. You ain't getting Skinny Pop nothing for 90 cents. And it's good until April 25th, 2024. This is the only flavor they had, was the cheddar jalapeno. So I wanted to give it a try. Another Dollar Tree, cheaper than the Dollar Tree item. Potato gnocchi, only 99 cents at the Dollar Tree. Same brand that the Dollar Tree carries. However, it looks like it's a slightly bigger package. I don't know, maybe it's the same size, but save your 26 cents, 99 cents. Okay? Now, this one kind of shocked me. It's a different brand, and I don't know if it's a better brand, a fancier brand. It's only good until the end of the year, 12/28/24. But this one was $1.99. It's not even more. How many ounces? Same ounce. It's 17.6 ounces versus, same amount of, same size package. So I'm guessing this is a fancier brand. And then this is real good if you're doing some fajita meat. I already got some. I might do some actually. Cut up some chicken thighs into strips, peppers, onions. Put some of this on it and some taco seasoning. This wasn't but 35 cents. And the only thing, it expires the end of the month, April 26th. But I'll most likely use it for then, because I can actually make a meal with it soon. So that 35 cents, and I think I paid $1 or so for this before, because I've had it and it's actually very good. And then, almost done. The last items are for the garden. Oh, you know what? I did buy this. I did go ahead and buy it. I don't know why I didn't wait till 20% off, because this is what I was talking about. It's $10.40 on Amazon. I will link it below. But it's $11.99 now. But if you go buy it on the 20% off day, then it'll be cheaper than Amazon. So keep that in mind. They so far from me. and I was using a gift card and I really wanted this, I said, so I'll just go ahead and pay the price. So these are singles. Fill the watering can and drop one of these in like you dropping it in a bowl of water. And water your plants and flowers and everything. Give them their food. So I thought that was cool, and it's 24 of them in here. So that was cool to have for the garden. And that's my receipt. Gotta fetch it. And the last item, let me see, my nose wants to run. So the last items are, and be careful with these because I saw ants crawling in them. That was just real weird to me. But these Holland bulbs, and I was looking at this brand online. I might actually order from them. Holland America bulbs. I might actually order from them because it's something I want so bad. I've been seeing it all over town, and I'm like, I want those in my yard. I got to get me one of them. I got to get me about 10 of them because they look so beautiful clustered up. I'm really looking for some amaryllis. And they come back every year on their own around this time of year. And they're clustered in many of the, you know, the more established yards around here. And I want some so bad because they're so beautiful. Don't even know where I'm going to put them. I got an idea. I actually do know where I'm going to put them. So, but these were the dahlias. It's only, what, 2 bulbs in here? It says 1. Oh, okay. This is 1 bulb, but I feel at least 2 in here. I definitely feel 2. And I'm so happy because you see that? It's a dinner plate dahlia. Big as the face. They're going to be huge. And it says it keeps coming back. Multiple flowers for 100 days. Now, whether it comes back next year, I don't know. But even just to see the show for 1 year. Dinner plate flowers are my favorite because dinner plate hibiscus is one of the most beautiful things. My neighbor has one. And I don't know where to put one, but I'm going to have to find somewhere to put one because I want one. I want me one of them too. You know, my little flower wish list is getting very big because I just like to see it. It's so beautiful to have flowers in the springtime and remind you that something's still good in this world, okay? So, I bought these last year from Ollie's. I'll link that video above. They never flowered. So I'm going to give it a try again. Now, I did get one of the other flowers that started with an A. I cannot remember. But I'm going to link the video. I got 1 flower, and it was the most beautiful thing you ever did see. And my friends still talk about that flower. It was so beautiful. And I'm hoping it may show up again this year. But it's in a pot with some nasturtium, so I'll be on the lookout. And if I see it again, I think I did do a short showing it. And if I can link that above, I will. But this is the sparaxis. And it's 10 little bulbs in here for these little flowers. And they look so detailed. I hope they come up. And then the last one I bought, which I know where I'm going to put this. Why are they calling me? I know where I'm putting this, but this is the Asiatic lily. So, I have lilies already, and I'm just going to add this. So, it's going to be yellows, pinks, whites, everything. All kinds of lilies in this particular area. So, that was it for the haul. And these were, as you can see, $3.99 each. So, if you see something like this dinner plate, this won't last. Dinner plate means dinner plate size. They are normally like, boom. Just imagine this big old pretty flower in your yard. So, I hope you like this video. I hope you like this haul. Don't forget, 20% off this weekend for club members at Big Lots. So, if you saw anything you want, that'll be the time to go get it. And prep and pray. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed, and get those yards looking beautiful for spring. I thank you so much for watching. I love you to life. Have a great day.